Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time and Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? Thank you so much for sharing. I am so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with the weather. We'll sing our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is today. Ready? Oh, look. What's the weather like today? What do you see? I see a lot of rain. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Awesome. Let's start with a weather picture. Which picture shows a rainy day? Is it this picture or this picture? If you chose this picture, I agree. I see a dark cloud with water falling out of it. That means it's raining. This is our rainy day picture. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Perfect. Can you help me read today's sentence? The weather is rainy. Great. Let's read it one more time. Ready? The weather is rainy. Awesome job. Now it's time to sing our rainy day song. Ready? Rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy today. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy today. Great job. Okay, now we need to get our friend dressed. We have a new friend today. He is a polar bear. His name is Perry the polar bear. Can you say, hi, Perry? Awesome. Perry is going to help us with the weather. We're going to get Perry dressed every day, and his clothes has to go along with the weather. So today, he needs to get dressed for a rainy day. Can you help Perry the polar bear get dressed for a rainy day? Awesome. Let's start with his bottoms. What should Perry the polar bear wear on a rainy day? Should he wear shorts or his rain pants? If you chose the rain pants, I agree. The rain pants will keep him from getting wet. Let's put the rain pants on Perry the polar bear. Perfect. Now Perry needs a top. Which top should Perry wear on a rainy day? Should he wear a raincoat or a short sleeve t-shirt? If you chose the raincoat, I agree. When it's raining outside, it's a good idea to wear a raincoat. That way, it will protect you from getting wet. Let's put the raincoat on Perry. Perfect. Perry needs something on his feet. What can Perry wear on his feet on a rainy day? If you said rain boots, I agree. Let's put the rain boots on Perry. 1, 2. 2 rain boots for Perry because Perry has 2 feet. Oh, Perry needs something to protect his head. What can we use on a rainy day to protect our head from getting wet? If you said an umbrella, I agree. Let's give Perry Bear and Perry the polar bear an umbrella. There we go. Now Perry is ready for the rainy day. Great job, friends. You did excellent getting Perry the polar bear dressed. Now it's time to move on to our letter of the week. Are you ready to see this week's letter? I'll show it to you, and then I'll tell you what sound it makes. Here it is. This is our letter of the week. It makes the ah sound. Can you make that sound with me? Ah. Perfect. This letter is the letter O. When we want to write the ah sound, we use the letter O. We have an uppercase O and a lowercase o. Let's add the O's to our circle time board. Perfect. Our letter O looks like a shape that we learned. It looks like a circle. The letter O is very easy to write. It's just a circle. Or you can make it an oval. It just depends how you write. But our uppercase O and our lowercase o look very similar. The only thing that's different is the uppercase O is a tall letter and the lowercase o is a shorter letter. So we said that our letter O makes the ah sound. We're going to take a look at something that starts with the ah sound. That means it starts with the letter O. I'll give you some hints. This is an animal that lives in the ocean. It has 8 legs. Do you know what animal I'm talking about? Remember, it starts with the ah sound for the letter O. If you said an octopus, you are correct. Octopus starts with the letter O. I know that octopus starts with the letter O because I hear the ah sound at the beginning. Listen, octopus. Did you hear it? Excellent. This week we're going to be learning all about the letter O. But for now, it's time to move on to our number of the week. Okay, I'm going to show you this week's number. Here it is. Do you know what number this is? It's the number 6. Can you say 6? Perfect. Let's put the 6 on our circle time board. Can you count to 6? Let's count together. Remember, we're counting to 6. So when you hear 6, that means stop because we've counted to the number 6. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we need to stop because I heard the number 6. We just counted to the number 6. This week, we are going to be putting marshmallows in our hot cocoa. Can you guess how many marshmallows we're going to put in our cup of hot cocoa? I'll give you a hint. It's our number of the week. We're going to put 6 marshmallows in our hot cocoa. Can you help me count 6 marshmallows? Excellent. Okay, here we go. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just counted 6 marshmallows. Let's count them one more time, just to make sure there are 6 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, friends. We have 6 marshmallows in our hot cocoa. This week, we're going to learn all about the number 6. But for now, we're going to introduce our color of the week. Let me show you this week's color. I want to see if you know this color already. Ready? Let's see. Oh, look. Do you know what color this is? If you said black, you are correct. Our color of the week is black. We're going to learn about the color black this week. Can you find something black? Let's sing our color song, and then we'll look around the room to see if we can find something black. Are you ready? The color of the day, the color of the day. Look around and try to find the color of the day. Go ahead, look around the room where you are. Can you find something black? Did you find something black? Awesome. Go ahead, share with me. What did you find that was black? Wow, thank you so much for sharing. I found something black too. I found a book. The front cover of my book is black. There are so many things that are black. Tomorrow, we're going to learn our black song, and we're going to see many different objects that are black. But for now, let's move on to our shape of the week. We're learning a new shape this week. It's a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Hexagon. Great work. Let's see how many sides and corners a hexagon has. Can you count with me? Let's start with the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides does a hexagon have? It has 6 sides. Hey, that's our number of the week. Our number of the week matches the number of sides on our shape of the week. How cool is that? Okay, now let's see how many corners a hexagon has. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many corners does a hexagon have? A hexagon has 6 corners. Wow, that's our number of the week. So we just learned that a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Let's take a look at a picture of something that looks like a hexagon. Ready? Oh, what do you see? I see a soccer ball. Do you see the white shapes on the soccer ball? Those are hexagons. Soccer balls have lots of hexagons on them. Wow, friends, did you know that soccer balls had so many hexagons? Well, now you know. Hey, that's it for our circle time board today. We learned so many new things. Now it's time to take a brain break. After your brain break, I want you to click on the part 2 of today's videos. That will be our daily message time. We're starting a new unit. It's our Winter Wonderland unit. I think you're going to enjoy it. We have lots of activities planned for our Winter Wonderland unit. So go ahead, take a brain break, and then click on part 2 of today's video so you can join me for our daily message time. Hi friends, make sure you watch part 2 of today's videos. It's our daily message time, and that's when we learn all about this week's theme. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.